So by default in Microsoft Windows, you have a mouse cursor that looks a certain way. But if you want to change out how the mouse cursor looks, then what you can do is you can go around into the settings right here. And once you go around into settings, you can go around into the personalization section right here. So once you go around onto the personalization section, you can go around over here in themes right here. So once you go around onto themes, you will be able to find the mouse cursor option, as you can see right here. So once you go around into the mouse cursor option, you can see that right now the mouse cursor looks like this. But if you want to change out how the mouse cursor looks, you can go around and choose another scheme. Let's say, for example, you want the magnified scheme right here, and the mouse cursor looks like this. So once you press apply, what happens is that you get a bigger mouse cursor, as you can see right here. You can go around over here and choose, let's say, for example, inverted option right here and apply. And now you can see that the mouse cursor changes out accordingly. And for each of the status your system is in, you got different mouse cursor, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here, press OK, and over here you can see that the mouse cursor changes accordingly over here. You can go around onto the mouse cursor and choose different options right here according to how you like it. So let's say, for example, you can go around for laws right here, press apply, that is applied. You can go around, select another one, press apply, and that is how everything else is selected, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around right here, and if I were to go around onto default system scheme and press OK, it returns back to default system scheme, as you can see right there. And that is how you can change around how the mouse cursor looks inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.